This is Gerald Tuavabas. Usually I make up ideas for the exploration of words where I can show how much letters hang together, and I have a system for it that shows me how to do so, and it shows you how much actually words are chosen undeliberately, but they are chosen in a way that it remains structured and it remains also um, basically actually sensible and meaningful in the way how it does this, and it keeps on describing what it should describe. Mostly words are chosen as spontaneous as I can by what comes up in my mind, and I think, okay, this can be interesting, and I try it out. My preference is still that okay, it's meant for people, so that people would also sometimes might have a question and say, okay, just can you figure this out, and then I'll try it. And so I had a question. I'm very glad with that. And the question was, what does it mean the when the two last letters Y and A in the end of the word? What can that mean? Now, I don't know where that reference goes to, where it comes from, and the only word that immediately comes in my mind that has this is the Spanish word playa, which means beach. And I think, okay, I will try this and we'll see where it will get me and what this ending really is referring to. So I will build up the word based upon knowing what the places is and what each place of each letter actually is referring to. So the P, I'll put it into a form, but that this is of course the end result of it. So the P in my system is about direction. It's a direction at the end, somewhere at the end. So it is far away at a border somewhere, and it creates also that kind of border. It is pushing out actually all the results in that direction. So that's basically actually the kind of focus that P expresses. And at that point where you have also the directions, you will get almost into the frame of where you can land, where you have associations of a wider context also of what is going beyond your usual vision also of direct focus and also direct directions. So it's going already into that area where you have an area of a frame in which something will fit. And with a combination of L, because that's the next letter, it will also tells you, if I look into my system, L is about a focus in space. It's a focus in space, so it's also about physical realizations. It's about a continuation in forming things in two parts as well. It's forming things that gets a form. So that means also that creating this area of that is pushed there is created with a form. Also within that range, of course, from where it will also reach a certain area within a certain frame. With A as the next letter, it will say also, okay, but it is also something where I can focus upon. It is really a physical place. So what is going on there, which is forming itself in form, will be places which I will be able to follow. I would say now look upon, which I will be able to distinct there. And of course, this will continue also if you have that forming process, which is a process in P. This process will continue to do so, and it also already almost direct you further and further away. The Y is that direction where it will go to, so I will have to have it continuously built up in the same way. So I'm not really doing it very well, but you know, of course, playa is the beach. It is indeed forming itself until you have that far away area. So it is also directing to that end result far away. The Y is the third position from space. So it is actually showing a direction. Y is a direction which goes to the end result further away. So that's where the beach also will lie, further away. It's almost like a destiny. It builds up, and that's what that destiny is. So what is the word actually then saying? It's built up into two parts. It's the pla and the ya. And then I can derive the ya from it as well. So the pla is that whole formation of that beach, which is forming the situation, is forming itself. It's pressing out its results. It's shaping itself further, again and again, as a region of its own. With the ya, it will try to look even beyond that, see where it goes, how far it goes. And it is also looking almost like further than it almost can see directly. So how far will it be able to go to? And it's almost going to a different region already. It is lying further away. That can be associated very easily with a destiny. It has almost a further away destiny. So if you would like to associate a ya from there, that's what it actually then should be. That further away destiny that can be taken out. So I looked up on the internet, are there other words with ya? And I couldn't find many of them, just one. And that was the reference to Yahya, the Arabic for prophet. And it is translated as the prophet being sent out to the right people. And that's again a confirmation that being sent out further away. It creates and gets a destiny. So if you want to figure out what Ya is, this is more or less what it is. It receives a destiny further away, and that's where it is. Literally, as a beach, it's also that. It's that beach lies further away, and let's go to the beach in that way. Not spiritual in this case, but that's what it is. Further away, it's built up, and it's built up from how the beach has been built up just before the sea, and then we can go there and we can visit it. That's more or less how I see it. So I hope this was satisfying. Anyhow, subscribe to the YouTube channel, to the website, or to the Facebook page if you like, or just check out the books if you want to get used to the whole system. Thanks again for watching. Bye.